Hello guys, welcome to another video of the DBMS question series. Today we are going to talk about the question set 22. So in previous videos we have discussed so many questions about database relationships and database queries. So today again we are going to talk about new question set. So in earlier videos we have discussed the previous questions. So if you have no idea about what's going on, just check out my channel and get an idea about the question series. Okay, now today our first question is find the details of the students who participated in the singular subject in the examination held on 2020 3rd month 15th. Okay, now we have to write a select query here. So when writing a select query, they have given a condition. They have given a specific date to use as our condition. So here I have written the query in here. As you can see, here I have write select. Then I have select the first name from the student table and the last name from the student table. Then here I have select the gender from the student table. Then the contact number from the student table. Then the class name from the class table and then the class name from the class table here. Here as you can see, here is my class table, then the exam term table, then the student table and the subject table here. Then I have joined two classes together. I have joined the class table and the student table using the class ID in the student table and the class ID in the class table. Then here I have entered the condition here. In here I have select student index number from the student exam mark record where the term where the exam date is this one. Here I have used join queries and sub queries also. Then when I execute my query, here you will get the results as you wanted. Okay, now my second question is Sadun Vijayaratna find out the marks of the examination which the students appeared on 2020 15th of 3rd month, the date of examination, the term, the number of admissions, the name and the name of the subject. Okay, now again we have to write a query here. Here I have to get the details like the term, number of admissions, the name and the name of the subject and the date of the examination. Okay, here I have again I have written a select query here. Here I have again select the first name, last name, gender, contact number, class name, subject name and the exam marks. Then I have inner join 4 tables together. Here I have inner join student exam mark record on the student table and student exam mark record on the subject table and the term table on the student exam mark record. Then in my condition I have used in here the first name should be Sadun and the last name should be Vijayaratna and the term date should be this one. Then when I execute my query, here you will get the result what you wanted. Here you can see the first name, last name, gender, contact number, class name, subject name and marks for the all subjects. Okay, in our third question, find the name, subject, mark, term of the examination, date of the examination of the students who obtained between 40 and 70 marks in the subject of mathematics held on 2020 10th of 7th month. Okay, again we have to write a select query here. Here as you can see, I have again select all the details like first name, last name, gender, contact number, class name, subject name and the marks. Then I have inner join 4 tables together. I have inner join the subject table, then the exam term table, then the class table and the student table. Then in my condition here as you can see my exam date is this one, and the subject name is mathematics, and here I have used another condition. Here I have select mark should be greater than 40 and less than 70. As you can see, using these symbols I have get my results what I wanted. When I execute my result, here you can see mark is 50 and 44, which is greater than 40 and less than 70. Okay, in my final question, who is the highest scoring student in the first term out of all the subjects? Okay, here I want to use a max function here. As same as the previous question, I have select all the details from the student, then I have join all the tables together. In here as you can see, I have select, then I have used max function, then I have get the maximum mark from the student exam mark record table. Then in the condition, here you can see the term name is first term. As you can see, now I can get the highest mark from the first term out of all students. When I execute my query, here you can get the result. Here you can see the subject name, and here you can see my marks. So this is the end of my video. Thank you.